You've got to love me for what I am, for simply me. Don't love.
Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm official Reacts. I'm a Jamaican representing. Okay, so guys, today I'll be checking out ultimate grand champion of the Clone Grand Concert, Jean Jordan ABINAI. Very first time hearing of this individual. I've heard many clones, but this one, it's a definitely not for me. Very first time listening, very first time experiencing what this one sounds like. So it's gonna be an adventurous momentum for me. So guys, with being said, let's hear what this one can do. Peace.
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and full enough to think that's what I'll find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and full enough to think that's what I'll find. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I should have never let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah, show me how you want it to be. Tell me baby, cause I need to know now, because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, saan ka man ay halina tayo. Isang libot, isang tuwa, buong bansa Itbulaga. Ang dabarkats ay nagkakaisa sa tuwa't saya na aming dala. Isang libot, isang bunga, buong bansa Itbulaga. Here we go! Sina Tito, Vic at Joey, barkada'y dumarami, silang lahat ay nagbibig.
Wow! Whoa! 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 Oh my goodness! Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a perfection, bro. Oh my days, dog. Hey! Hey! You see you guys? The Filipinos, bro. I am thinking like far beyond my thoughts that you guys are somehow not from this earth. Wow.
Kay ligaya sa ating buhay, buong bansa ay nagkakaisa sa tuwa't saya na aming dala. 1,000, isang tuwa, buong bansa Itbulaga. 1,000, isang tuwa, buong bansa Itbulaga. We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. So let me go, I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go, I must be free.
Well done, my bro. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Magnificence. Magnificence. These kids are the future of tomorrow. Let's protect them. Let's give them hope. Let's believe in their craft. Because trust me, sooner or later, people will need these legendary artists, songs to be sung by someone. And these kids, I think they are the perfect choice to choose from to dominate the musical journey in this time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys around. Oh yes, and subscribe, bro. Subscribe. If you guys like my reaction, subscribe, man. Subscribe. You guys won't have any regrets subscribing, okay? Yes.